Hi everyone, it's Mel from the 441 and I'm feeling a bit blocked for work this morning. It's the 8th of January, so I'm just going to do a quick salt burn, and I have recorded this before but it wasn't the best example, so we're going to re-record today. And the isopropyl alcohol is here. Cool. So this one's really simple. You may already have the ingredients at home. You need some isopropyl alcohol and some salt. Today I'm using Himalayan because it's just the first one I grabbed, but I have a few different salt options. A little ramekin bowl and a old pan for protection. So first things first, you want to just fill this up with some water. So, and then I'm just going to pop this guy in the middle, and I'll just change the camera angle so that you guys can see what's happening a bit better. So first things first, you grab your salt and you just pop that in there. It's probably about that much. And then you take your isopropyl alcohol, and you want it to be the consistency of like wet sand. You can also use like vodka or more pure alcohol, but this is what I have on hand, and I haven't done this one with Himalayan salt before. And if the consistency is wrong, like that one's a bit too wet, you can just top it up with some more salt. Because you kind of want it to be like wet sand. It's still a little bit too wet. Just a touch more. A little goes a long way with the isopropyl alcohol. So like that. You could probably even go a touch more, but I'd like this to burn for a while. I have a few frustrations to get out of the way this morning. So once you light it, it's used for removing and clearing any blocks, any stagnant energy in your house, and also any blocks in your life. So some people like to scream at the bowl, like remove the blocks around weight loss, remove this, remove that. Other people like to just throw their intentions at it. You can just gaze at it like you would with a gazing candle meditation, and set your intention into the flame. Usually it lasts and burns for about 10 to 15 minutes, and strangely I find that whenever I do it, I have all this stuff that I want to throw at it at the start, and then I kind of have this pause and I'm like, oh, it's still burning. What other energy do I put into it? And then like I'll come up with a couple of more things, and I usually find that it'll be like, oh yeah, and this, and I'll throw it at it, and then like that the flame will go out. Another thing I've noticed when you do one of these salt burns, the energy does feel better in the house straight away. But I also find that one of those blocks that you feel like has been holding you back, usually within the first 24 hours, one of those things comes true. I've had a phone call about a surgery when I was on a wait list before. I've been on the wait list for about a year. Literally the next day I got a phone call. I've had a friend do this, and she was talking about having a spa day, and literally the next day her husband surprised her with a facial at her local place that she usually goes to. So yeah, there's definitely something to it, and if you do try this, I'd love to hear down below how you would get on. So please let me know in the description if you've had any success from doing this, or how your house feels, or how you feel after performing this. So I'll just show you how to start it. There's a thing about magic and manifestation and all that, and not letting people see you doing your intentions. So I'll just give you an example once I've lit it, and then if the camera's still around, I can let you know just how it goes out. But yeah, let's get into it. So this is my first salt burn for 2024. I kind of like to use matches just because you're not getting as into the flame as you would be with a lighter. So yeah, that is what she looks like. And then, like I said, you can just be like, remove all the blocks that are holding me back, allowing manifestation and abundance into my life, allowing more freedom into my life, removing my romantic blocks, whatever it needs to be, allowing me to level up my job, whatever it is you want to manifest. But you can throw stuff at it, you can get really angry, feel free to scream at it, hurl at it, whatever. It helps you free up that energy from yourself. So yeah, I will leave it there. I will use this now for my own intention. So guys, that is how you use a salt burn to help you to remove your blocks and level up your life. I feel comfortable holding it and stuff. Once the flame goes out, I will show you guys how to dispose of it. So yeah, see you on the other side. Okay guys, so that one only lasted about 5 minutes. I've let all my frustrations go. So this is what it looks like after. It will be quite hot. What you do is you just rinse it down the sink. So I get rid of all the salt, and then I just kind of let the pan sit there. So I'll let them dry off, and that's like my salt burning kit. I don't use that pan or that ramekin for anything else. It's literally just for burning salt. So we will see if there's anything that's really shifted in the next 24 hours, and I'd love to see how you guys get on. I mean, chances are if you're watching this video, it's because we've done a consultation and I've spoken to you about the salt burn, and this is more to be used as a tool. If you found it through search, awesome, welcome to the channel. I hope that you stick around. Yeah, so I'm going to go about the rest of my day now, because there's like a surrender and let go to doing a salt burn as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.